Hi everyone, welcome to my book review screencasting video reviewing Flip Your Classroom. Flip Your Classroom is a book written by two Colorado High School chemistry teachers, Jonathan Bergman and Aaron Sams, who developed an ingenious pedagogical approach that improved the educational experience of their students and caught on with other educators in Colorado and around the globe. Flip Your Classroom means reversing the traditional learning method by a new one. Some people believe that learning should be centered around the teacher in the classroom. Others think that learning should be focused more on students and the teachers should assist the students individually. But honestly, I agree with the people who believe in the effectiveness of focusing on students more than focusing on teachers. Therefore, I think that flipped classroom method is the best approach that each teacher should follow in his or her classroom. Now, here is why. Let's take these two examples. Enrique cannot keep up with his teachers. They speak too fast for him. He can't take notes quickly enough to follow their lectures. He works hard but isn't learning. Now Janice is a busy student athlete. She works hard also but is falling behind her classmates because of her busy schedule. Now here is the question. How can schools help those students learn more effectively? The flipped classroom with its focus on students and not teachers is the answer. Utilizing this approach, teachers spend classroom time helping students who listen to or watch recorded lectures on their own time. This novel teaching method works for any subject, including math, science, social studies, language arts, physical education, foreign languages, and humanities. Now, Bergman and Sams understood the potential of online teaching videos for helping students who miss classes. They started using screen capture software to record their chemistry lectures and upload the videos for students to review at their convenience. Their online lectures became popular. Many students who attended the original lectures watched them repeatedly to prepare for exams. Now, what did the flipped classroom method do to the education experience? The flipped classroom approach turns the traditional education experience upside down. It enables teachers to personalize their students' educations and teach according to each student's particular needs. Now, how to expand it into the flipped mastery class? Bergman and Sams developed an extensive library of instructional videos that students could watch and absorb on their own schedules. The mastery model places learning at the heart of the classroom and the students at the heart of learning. The mastery model provides students with immediate feedback. It cuts down on teacher paperwork. It provides learning content in different formats and features several ways students can demonstrate their comprehension. Now, what's my judgment for the book? I actually highly recommend reading this book. I think the Flip Your Classroom book speaks the language of today's students because it increases student-teacher interaction and allows for real differentiation. So that was everything for today. I hope you enjoyed my video and thanks for watching.